If you want progress, vote for the PNP. We in the People's National Party have committed that when we form the government, we are going to give agriculture a new deal. We are going to ensure, first of all, that all the farmers who work in land and don't have a title to the land that them work in, they are going to be the beneficiaries of the most massive land titling program that this country has ever seen. Time come now to correct the wrongs of history. We are committed that the New Deal for Agriculture will see an expanded RADA program. Our farmers just don't need land and access to financing. They need the advice of how to get modern agriculture. RADA must come out of the office and work alongside all the farmers of the country who are doing a valiant job to feed the people of this country. We are committed across Jamaica and here in Southeast St. Mary to a new deal for agriculture, new irrigation systems, new land titling systems, more financing for farmers, and better marketing and production advice. Your party, the People's National Party, appoint an education commission because we are tired of some schools giving a first-rate education while other schools are leaving our children behind. We are going to compete it so when I have no more picnic, I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning to go to town. And Natta Bay High School must give the same quality education like Campion College. And if you go to St. Mary Technical, you must get the same quality education like you go to Wilmer's High School. We are going to complete the revolution in education. If you want to vote for progress, vote for the People's National Party.